Well, happy Cinco de Mayo from Investigators in Cars, and today it's Cultural Appropriation Day here in Investigators in Cars, drinking coffee.
Yes.
I'm your host, Senor Mark Mernan, with my wife, Senorita, or Senora, Wendy Mernan, certified paralegal. And we are here on Cinco de Mayo. Investigators, that's right. We're here on Investigators in Cars to talk about international this thing really itches.
How do you talk? It's like
I don't know,
got your mouth stuck.
I know. I just feel like Dastardly. Remember that cartoon character, Dastardly? Anyway, here we are on Cultural Appropriation Day, sharing some hints about international law, and we've had a few of these cases. Absolutely honors, first of all, Cinco de Mayo, 5th of May.
Yes.
So we're happy to be celebrating that with you all.
They never used to celebrate Cinco
We never
de
used
Mayo,
to.
so
No,
that right there tells you that
it's like a Hallmark holiday.
Yeah, it's a global world now.
It's a Hallmark holiday. It's like National Assistance Day.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
So anyway, but we did want to take an opportunity, since we are talking about the little chi-chi balls working. Okay. She bought these. Mariachi time. So anyway, as part of International Cinco de Mayo Day, we were going to talk about international law and what it takes to find things overseas. She can make me sneeze.
Do I need to talk?
Yeah, please. So
Well,
you've done some international work, Wendy.
Yes, I did do an international locate process service of a very wealthy, renowned person.
Infamous, aka infamous.
Whose name I will not mention. And when we tried to serve him, he ran out the back door. So he was hiding out in Europe, and there is a law where you can serve somebody through the Hague Convention. It was very convoluted, but we got him. And it was an interesting case because the plaintiff was alleging that he had given her AIDS. So, it was a big case, very important to get him served, and we did. So that was my first, exposure to international service anyway. So.
Yeah. And since then, we've more and more we're seeing, this thing is slipping, I think because I'm sweating. Is that better? More and more we're seeing international cases.
It really fits you. I'm shocked.
Well, it's much darker than my hair. You think people will realize it's fake?
No, I don't think so. It took a while to grow that.
The adhesive wears off. So we are getting more and more.
So anyway, our business has really taken a turn. We've had a lot of international requests lately.
Yeah.
For what, Mark?
Well, we're assets flow primarily trying to determine if, number one, where they are. So we contracted with a UK investigator who we know through the World Association of Detectives and through our own national organizations. Somebody who knows somebody. I don't try to go over to Europe to find people. I find people who are in Europe who can help us do that.
Right.
We've gotten service on people in Germany through working through a local, what they would call a bondsman, an agent of the court who assists in locating people to effect service. And we're also doing a lot more international asset searches in Bahamas, Bermuda. We attempted to, we did locate ownership of a boat through a limited liability company in one tiny little island over there, whatever it is. But international components, particularly here in South Florida, are more and more of a reality. Maybe in South America, particularly background investigations in Chile and Peru.
We worked in Peru.
Colombia, witnesses in Colombia. We have Central American a capital case, a murder case involving undocumented individuals from Central America.
Mm-hmm.
Everything has an international flavor to it, and this generation is used to hopping on a plane and going overseas and not thinking anything of it. Is it falling? Okay, falling. We have to edit this at some point. We don't edit anything, do we?
No, we don't.
Just let it go out there live. But international law, international cases are something that we've developed a little bit of a specialty in. So if you ever have a situation where you're trying to track down somebody, you're trying to locate a boat from Bermuda, or you're trying to find a subject for service, a plaintiff or a defendant in a plaintiff case, a defendant who has fled over to Germany, to France, to UK, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to talk it over with you. If you're an attorney, we do have those international connections that we just have fostered over many years of experience in the business. remember, just keep things moving. So. But anyway, it's been a great day for investigators in cars. Cinco de Mayo.
We have fun too.
We have fun too. So I was going to do some Mexican music, but I can't seem to find it on my XM, which only has classic rock. So,
I can't wait to see you rip that off your face.
you ready for the big reveal? No, it's really me. Anyway, enjoy Cinco de Mayo here from the investigators at Investigators in Cars, and we'll see you again drinking coffee. Here's to you. We'll see you again next time on Investigators in Cars.
Bye-bye now.